here at this group did a great job. Next, we have Minerva's group introducing Match Media. And also, Robin, I didn't know you had such a great network. I think we should talk later.
Hello, Sharks. We are presenting to you an app called Match Media. It will connect you with people that like same movies and TV shows. So whenever you want to go watch movies and you don't have anyone to go with you, you can have someone from the app meet with them and then go movies or watch TV shows together.
Yeah, sometimes.
This is basically the app description. Like I said, it just connects you based on what kind of movies you like to watch. And then our marketing plan is our plan is to connect people. And then the first app will be free to download, and we'll connect people based on that. Once people get used to that, we'll have upgrades. The upgrades will charge you a monthly subscription of $4.99. Our target audience are Gen X and Millennials, because those two generations are the ones that watch movies the most. And also income level to middle class, $60,000 per year. And we'll be promoting our app through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Those social medias have millions of users every day. And we'll also be promoting our app through putting our advertisements on big screens of sports events. So let's say you went to a Seahawks game, you can be able to see our ad on the big screen. Also, one thing we'll be doing in the future is bidding for our like Match Media. Whenever you search Match Media, you'll be able to see Match Media come up first as an ad. That's something we'll be doing in the future. And we'll also be partnering with other companies to have their advertisement on our website that will generate income for us. And Levon will be talking about finance.
Hello, Sharks. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about our financial budget and what we're going to be doing with the $250,000 loan. So our total expenses after we've got our developers, QA testers, and wages all sorted through. It's about $106,000 in total expenses, which will save roughly about $143 left over, which will be further used in marketing and for ads, social media. Our calculated wages. So who we're going to be hiring to develop our apps. We're going to get 2 back-end developers, which is roughly around $60 an hour. A designer, which is roughly $30 an hour. 2 iOS developers, because we're going to be focusing on iPhone for our first launch, and we're going to be moving over towards other platforms in the foreseeable future. We're going to get 2 quality assurance testers, which range about $30 an hour as well, and total development costs ranges from 5 to 7 months, which is around, which altogether is $51,000 total. And we got the calculated wages. Our expense amount for the app environment, which we're choosing is iOS, is about $8,000. The login integration, which we're using, we're trying to integrate with Facebook and Twitter, so you can sign in with those accounts if you have them, which is around another $4,000. Profile design, which is a good way to design your user interface, customizing one, it's about $3,000. In-app purchases, around another $3,000. We're trying to integrate as well reviews and rankings to our app as well, so you can give yourselves stars and whatnot, depending on the types of movies you go see, which is around $2,000. Application profile interface, which is API for short. We're trying to interface with our website that we're also trying to make and have it connected and do online virtually all the time. Which is about $5,000. UI, user interface design, is $1,740. And the app icon, because everyone needs a good app icon that everyone's going to know about. It's about 6 to 7. And the storage we're going to use, which is the Amazon Web Service, is around $5,640 yearly. It's about 64 cents an hour, depending on the type of memory you're using. We're trying to go for the biggest one, which is about 2,000 blue lights, 2,000 terms. And the total cost of wages, again, is 1,000. And as for the App Store fee, iOS, since we've been using that, it's about $99 a year. And the total development time is, again, about 7 years. So, I'm going to pass it on to Megan to explain the virtualizing.
Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about how is it, our app, how is it different from the like Netflix, Tinder, all of them. Our app, you can make a new friends, you can meet up with new friends, and you can make a plan to go on the date. You can text and talk through the app. You can join a media community in there. You can find a new event if there's a new movie coming out. How we're going to make our money is we have 3 different type of advertisement. So one of them is CPC, which is cost per click. The second one is CPM, which is cost per minute. The third one is CTR, click-through rate. And the version is a user who can sees our advertisement. So that's how we're going to make our money. We're going to charge, for the CPM, we're going to charge 12 cents, which is for 500 impressions. And for 1,000 impressions, we're going to use 25 cents. And for 50 cents, we're going to use, for 2,000 impressions, we're going to charge 50 cents. For the CPC, the average will be 50 cents per click. And our 5-year plan is, as you can see, in 2018, we're going to upgrade our app. In 2019, we're going to make it available on Mac and Windows. On 2020, we're going to make it full social media. In 2021, we're going to sell movies ticket and make an event ticket on there. 2022, we're going to make it available worldwide.
Alright, so I'll be deep diving into all the features related to Match Media. The first one, I'll be explaining the features. So this is like the user page. So as Kumnagar said, Match Media is an app that matches you people based on your viewing history of Netflix, Hulu, or whatever HBO or whatever viewing application you use. So I'll be explaining homepage, user interface, the design aspect of events and shows, how you'll be able to track your friends, what they're watching in the app, conversation, and find new movie and plan dates. So, alright, so suppose those are my these are some of my favorite movies. So like Inception, Harry Potter, Interstellar, and Logan, and so the app will find me friends based on some of my favorite movies. So first example is Julia. She's 21, and as you can see, she likes some of my favorite movies. That's Harry Potter, Logan, Inception, and I can send her friend request. That I already did. And if she doesn't accept my friend request, I can also like her. So I can just see what she does without adding her as a friend, and like I won't be able to text her since I can be friends with her, but I'll be able to see if she'd make it, if she allows it. Depends on the next one's gonna be iPhone user interface, and it's gonna look like this. And as you can see, that's the icon for the Match Media application, and it will be available in App Store and Google Store. User page. This is the full-on user page for the app. For the user page, users will be able to customize their page based on their liking. So, for example, the movies. Those are the movies I like, but everyone can change those movies. So the app will help you find friends based on the movies you have on your page. Another thing, the tracking your friends, kind of like this one. This is the interface for that. So like currently I'm watching Friends in Car 3. It'll show you like where I am and like which one I'm currently watching right now. And like those are some of my I rated those movies. And another cool thing about the app is those awards, just for fun, but like you will eventually be able to use those awards to like build up more things, build a community, and like use those. Once you get to a certain point, you'll start getting more, I would say, like deals and discounts. So kind of like if you watch like 100 movies, you know, related to Marvel, you'll get that certain award that will help you get more things in the app. Another thing in the app, you will be able to find the movies. So suppose you find the match, you want to go to a movie, I want to go to a movie with Julia, and I don't want to go to a different app. I can just go in the app I have and find the movie I want to watch, and then find the theater time, watch the trailer. We have the community, so I can read the user's review on the app. The next one, I can reserve the seat inside the app. And another thing, what about events? You know, what if I want to go to events with her? I can also buy tickets and find the local events around me. And yes, it will be available on Mac and Windows, but user security. Users, you know, we love users and we want them to be secure in the app. So some of the things we'll be using in the for the users are encrypted chat and data, which means their data will be saved and secure, no one will be able to hack it. Amazon Web Services, as he mentioned, that you know we'll be using that, and they have one of the best firewall that protects all the data, and multi-factor authentication, which is I'll be explaining in the next slide. This one, kind of like this. You remember like when you do something on your iPhone and send you like authentication so that you're the right user. So the app will do the same thing when you like make an account or like someone try to hack it. Yes, that's it. Any questions from the show?
And we were asking for 500,000.
1%.
20%. Sorry.
I heard.
And how many sales of your app have you done? How many people have signed up on a monthly basis? How long have you been in business?
We've
tiny bit.
we've not launched yet.
Might be the
We're so
link.
far right now on still in development mode.
Because
But we are getting we did sign did a launch like a little like a survey saying how many people would like an app like this, and it's about 60% of people would like that
Have you raised any money thus far?
for the app.
We have a loan of $250,000 we started off with. We're asking for more money from you guys.
To help with the ads.
When's the potential launch date?
Hopefully
As
by
soon as we get our money.
2019.
Why no love for Android? What's going on?
It's just iPhone's a lot more secure than Android. We wanted to start with a more secure product, and
Also,
it is.
to add on that, our target audience are millennials and Gen X, and they mostly use iPhones and find them more convenient based on the surveys.
And about surveys, about 70% of people have iPhones compared to
Okay, my question is for Manly. What makes you think your company's worth today $2.5 million when you had no sales, no development, and you're in debt of $200 million?
Because a lot of people desire to have this kind of app, and we're very much confident that the app will be popular as soon as it starts, because there's no website or anything that has this kind of information and that connects you with your like.
Let me add into that. So while we were doing the research, so like how Facebook works on the post, Instagram works with the pictures, and like so there's nothing with the movies that matches you or find like the movie community. That's what we want to build. So the app will based off full movies. We have the full community. We're meeting friends based on the movies. We're talking about the movies. So that's pretty much. It's a good concept, and you know we think it'll get pretty big.
How much media do you have committed to this app already? Like, it's not easy to get those movies. Like,
So
market
it's
costs
the
a lot.
app doesn't have movies in there. It helps you find friends based off the movies you watch.
That was, yeah,
What I'm interested in, because this is a startup, I'm interested in all four of yours background, because I would be investing in you, and if you've done anything in the past, if you've brought a company out, what your background is, because I'm really not investing. I'm investing in an idea, and I'm investing in you, because you have no sales, and you have an idea.
Yes, so with my background, I did UI UX. I worked with developers before, you know, made web applications with them. So I have a lot of background knowledge of like development side, and all the designs, as you can see, they're all made in Photoshop, every little aspect, and I know how to make them inside the app. Need time, money for the marketing, and yes, with them, yeah.
Now with me, I work with Amazon, so I make the money through the advertisement.
Okay, so you know how to get the
Yeah,
advertisement.
yeah. So I had a lot of experience with Amazon working with them.
And I have some connections in Think Mobile, which is a software development company. They're the ones that are helping us develop the app and giving us the testers and software designers as well.
Also, I have background in marketing and marketing planning, so I know this kind of stuff would work because I have experience with that.
And another thing I want to add in, so if you guys don't know, I'm a photographer. I do work with a lot of big people. So like I work with models working for Nike, Abercrombie. So I have good contacts with them, and I have a decent portfolio and like the user base. So which I'll be able to sell it pretty quickly once I have enough money to like launch it in different medias.
So all you need from us is just money. You don't need our expertise. As long as that
We
you're
would
saying
love
you
your
already know
expertise
what
as
you're
well.
doing.
Expertise is always one.
In what area?
In areas such as the marketing as well, because this would always know marketing and ad help, and also if you had any connections with lawyers and whatnot, you could also use your expertise in patenting patenting it and copywriting it, and yeah, mostly just marketing and advertising.
Curveball. I would like to redirect this. Could, if I were to become involved, could we focus on, not Gwyneth this time, I'm thinking my grandma. I would like to see this marketed towards people who are retired and not looking for the typical Tinder, Match.com experience, but really trying to go back to the classic days where you met somebody for a movie and a hard no, Sean.
Yeah,
Keep
no,
listening.
no, actually,
Keep
no,
listening.
it's
I'm
pretty
thinking daytime
I think
ads.
you're out.
I'm thinking my
As the world turns.
yes. I'm thinking
So like kind of like the outside big screen TV watching on the car kind of thing.
Ooh, I am now. Yes, I like that. Yes. Yes, I would like to see that very much. In terms of people finding friends in a safe way over classic movies.
Our general plan and idea is to target people that use technology the most, because this is a
That's
phone,
true.
the app you use on your phone, and your grandma would have hard time maneuvering.
My grandma-
I would add into that
But-
actually. I want to add into that.
Always out there.
So the
Yeah.
app. So if she,
That's a
so
good
like
Whoa.
like you know if she's like
Totally.
I feel like I was just dissed.
Oh my God. No, but like as I said, the apps works off the movies. So suppose her Netflix history is all classic movies, you know, like the movies from old time. So it will help her find friends based off those movies. If she's tech smart, because the app interface is basically designed like a, you know, like new style. So if she's familiar and she's really good with like a newer designs, then she will love it, and it will help her find friends based off the movie she like.
Okay. Just want to see your open set direction.
Yes.
Jason, question.
I love the idea of meeting. I mean, it's so hard. It's like as you get older, it's like really hard to like make friends because you get so many young habits. It's fantastic. But are you guys thinking about ever expanding outside just movies, like doing
Yes.
other things?
Yes,
Meetups?
yes.
Did I see that in there? I thought I saw that.
Yes, it was. It's for our scope. We're actually thinking of using other sites of other types of pop culture, like
Right.
anime, probably like Supremes. It can be honestly anything that connects you with another peer. Clothes.
Other thing. When you do the paid subscription part, right? What was the price point on that?
It was $4.99 per month, because at first the app would have advertisement while you use it, but when you have the upgrade version, it would not have ads, so the cost will move through the ad with replace with the subscription.
How many people do you estimate will convert to the monthly app?
People hate advertisement these days, and I believe 40% $199 is a reasonable price
What
to pay.
percentage?
I would go for 60, but we haven't done the research on that yet.
I'll make this easy. I think your presentation was beautiful. I think you were very articulate with what you were talking about it. But I just went to a movie with a friend who on Facebook said, hey, you want to go see Ocean's 8? And I was like, okay, don't do anything like that, let's go. So I don't see totally the reason for it, and Facebook is free. And
That's you already
That's
have
your
friends.
already friend.
These ones are you finding new, depending on how you're going.
yeah, there's also meetups in Seattle, all over the place, meetup groups. You know, it's beautiful. It's a nice niche concept, and maybe it'll work for some people. But because I'm not in your demographic, clearly, I think I'm out.
Thank you.
I'm in for 200,000. I'll only need 10%, but we'll have to redirect all of this towards my grandmother. Yeah. And specifically, whatever she says goes. I would like you to bring her on as a consultant.
And pay her?
Yeah.
No. She just threw left.
So she threw curveball, I'm gonna throw a slider in there, okay? So this is,
Her name's
I love it. I really like the idea. I think as a tech person myself, like I love apps that are different. I don't like using the same apps. I don't even know how to don't even use my Facebook app anymore. So this is like totally marketed towards me. I'll throw in some money with this Robin over here. I'll throw in I'll throw in 250, so I'll make it even 450. And I also want 10%. So between the two of us, we're going to own 20% of the company. I really want to be on the team that's in bringing some people maybe to direct your app, maybe get it sooner rather than later, get it to expand to a different demographic, like running or something like that, other meetups. So I want to do that maybe at a faster timeline, and I think with this money we can maybe get there. Because the name of your company is Match Media, right? It doesn't matter what it doesn't have to be like it's matching with other different types of mediums. So it could be music and all that stuff. So I love the broadness of that. So if Robin will accept the joint offer.
Yes, if we make sure Judy's ideas get inputted.
Oh, and so yeah, she'll do that arm of it because that really does need to happen.
Yes.
And I'll focus on the younger folks. And I'll help you guys with that.
Well, if you're going to hit the older ages, maybe I'm back in.
Okay.
That's a fastball.
Yeah,
Right
yeah.
up the middle, guys.
But I think we need 50%. Because, you know, my time and expertise on this. Yes, really. Maybe we should make it ourselves.
No. I trust you. All right. They did have good background.